Hello, my name is Milton Eisenberg, one of the senior injury attorneys at Dan Chapman and Associates. We have a division in our law firm that we call our Social Security division, where we have an attorney and a paralegal and other staff that do nothing but help people try to recover Social Security disability benefits. And I wanted to tell you more about that because we get a lot of calls every week from people who've been denied Social Security disability benefits and don't know what to do. And I think probably, I haven't seen the percentages, but I bet it's as high as probably 95% of the people that apply for Social Security disability benefits get denied when they try to do it on their own, especially their first time. And they don't know what to do. They're frustrated. They know they can't work, and so they don't know who to call. And fortunately, some of them make their way to us, and we can help them get the benefits that they're entitled to under federal law. But we have to jump through a lot of hoops, and we have to be sure that we comply with all the strict requirements in order to help them get those benefits. So I wanted to first tell you about Social Security disability benefits. In order to get Social Security disability benefits, you have to have a medical condition or a mental condition that qualifies as a disability. And if you have that medical or mental condition and you've either been out of work for 12 months or you will be out of work for 12 months or longer, you should be entitled to Social Security disability benefits paid by the federal government through the Social Security Administration. And so that's what the criteria are, that you are going to be out of work or have been out of work for 12 months or longer, and that you have a physical or mental condition that qualifies you as being disabled. So what happens is if you meet those two requirements, you have to go down to the Social Security Administration or get online and file for disability. And as I said, most of the people that file for disability get rejected. And that's usually when we first hear from people. I got rejected, I don't know what to do. And we have a team that's ready to talk with them, gather information, and jump right on helping them get an appeal filed so that we can get them the benefits that they deserve. Unfortunately, it's not a fast process, and most of the time it's not something that's going to take place in a month or 2 months. Sometimes it takes a little while, but it is a process that if we can help them through and get them qualified for benefits, these benefits will be back paid to cover the time when they originally denied up until the time they're granted and then going forward. So what happens if you've been denied? Like I said, you need to contact us at Dan Chapman and Associates, 678-242-7626. Let us get involved early. Let us get an appeal filed. If you missed the time frame, and it's only a certain limited period of time that you can file an appeal, then you got to start all over again. So it's very important that you contact us quickly. And then we'll get an appeal filed, and we will gather the medical records and other evidence we need to prove your disability, submit that back to the Social Security Administration. And sometimes we get an award of benefits for somebody by just filing the appeal and providing the documentation that is needed to show the disability. Sometimes they have to have a hearing. And so if there's a hearing, what that means is that a lawyer from our office will prepare you for the hearing. We'll gather all the information that's needed to present at the hearing, and we'll go with you to a Social Security disability hearing. These are not jury trials or anything like that. They're what we call administrative hearings. There's an administrative law judge that will decide the case, and they'll go to the hearing with you. It can last an hour or so, but basically there will be somebody there for the Social Security Administration that's arguing you're not entitled to benefits. Your attorney from Dan Chapman and Associates will be telling the judge why you're entitled to Social Security disability benefits and presenting the evidence that he needs to see to make that award. And then there'll be several weeks or so that go by while the judge reviews everything, and then the judge or someone on his staff will decide the case and issue an order saying whether or not you're entitled to the benefits. So that's the process of Social Security disability benefit law that we work in. We've been very successful helping people with disabilities get the benefits they're entitled to. We have an experienced team of paralegals and lawyers that work on it. We give free consultations, and when you hire us to work on one of these cases, you don't have to pay us any money up front. We get paid at the end. If we get you an award of disability benefits, then we get paid back for the expenses for the medical records, and we get paid a fee from the Social Security Administration from helping you recover the money and benefits that you're entitled to. So we'd be glad to talk to you today. Be glad to get things started today with a free consultation. Just give us a call. Thank you.